Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how I do my crochet. Who is ready? Yes, so my client is here. In fact, you know that I started this locks when it was still very short, and also not really very short, but it was not locks before, so I started this locks from the beginning. I think it's up to 3 years now that he's been carrying these locks. And yeah, so I've been showing you my crochets just before and after, but now I am showing you how I actually crochet, so you can see how I do my crochet. It takes a lot of time, it takes patience, it takes, you know, all the energy that you need for you to be able to do this. And yeah, my clients love it when I do this because it tucks all your hair in. And I finished locking the hair, and I'm using my Vichi's white goat hair oil again. As usual, it's a must, or my clients love it. There's none of my clients that don't like this oil. Trust me. If you don't have it, what are you waiting for? Yes, order yours today and you will thank me later. Yes, it's for all hair types. Thank you, and follow for more.